Hi everyone, this is Oguzhan and welcome back to another UiPath tutorial. Today I will be showing you how to use data scraping in UiPath, and for this tutorial I will use this coin ranking website, and we are going to retrieve first 200 items from this website, 200 coins to be exact, and we will get their names, their price and market cap information, and then we will save it to the Excel file using UiPath. So let's start. First, I will come to the data scraping button in UiPath Studio and click on that. Then it is asking me to open my browser or application, whatever I want to use, and navigate to place that I want to extract data from. And it wants me to press next button to hover over with mouse to that data source field. So let's do that. I will click first next. And then I will come back to here and select the Bitcoin, or like this together with BTC. It's up to you actually, but let me choose Bitcoin first. And here it is asking me if I want to extract the data from the whole table. If I say yes, it will automatically get all the values from that page. And if I don't click yes, I am going to specify the columns one by one. So let's start with yes. Let me click evet, which is yes. And as you see, it is getting all coins, price, market cap and 24-hour value automatically without even selecting anything else except this first cell in the table. So this is one way to do that, but this is not the stable way to implement this data scraping, because sometimes it won't get you to necessary information from the table, or there might be some banners in between the rows, so it can cause some problems. Instead of that, let's click back button and let's start over and click next. And let me select Bitcoin once again like this, and I'm going to click no, which is higher. In this case it's Turkish, sorry for that. And it is asking me to indicate a similar field, so it will be able to create a pattern for that. So let me select this similar field for that. It is like this. So as you see, it is selecting all data from that table, which are coin names. So let me change this one to the name and click next. And as you see, it is getting all the values from the table. But as you see, it also got this first row, which is irrelevant. So maybe we can edit this selection once again. So let me click back and again back. Let me click next. And this time maybe I can select like this, click no, and again I am going to identify the similar fields to create a pattern. So let me click Ethereum, and this time as you see, it is only getting the name of the coins, not this first row. So let me change to name this column and click next. So yes, I just got the name of the coins. As a second step, I will also get the price value of those coins. So let me click extract correlated data button for that. So let me select this and let's identify similar field, which is this one. And UiPath automatically gets the whole data from the table for that specific column, as you see here. So yeah, let me type price. If there is any URL on that specific cell, you can also extract the URL of that cell, that text, let's say. But this time I am not going to use that. So let me click next. As you see, I got the price, and as a last step, I also will get the market cap. So let me once again click this button, click this value, click next, and then this value. It's again created the pattern automatically, and I will type market cap here and click next. And I don't want to get any other information from this page, so let me click finish. And this time it is asking me if there is any multiple pages. So if you want to go for multiple pages, we need to identify the next button. So it is asking me to identify next button. So let me click yes, and I am going to click this button, which is next button. And as you see, the data scraping is completed. I just wanted to change maximum number of results to 200. And also I will write this data to Excel, so I need to use write range activity. Let me type that. Write range here. Let me find the place for that, my desktop, and data scraping. Let's call it coin ranking. And as a data table, I will use this extract data table. But to be able to use that, I need to change its scope. So there is already one main sequence, and let me type extract data table here. Also, I need to click on add headers check here. As a last step, maybe we can also use open browser here. So let me get it here, and let me get the URL of the site. And I need to specify the browser type, which is Edge in this case. And I can also drag and drop it here. Okay. And if you want to go for infinite, let's say if you want to iterate through all the pages, you can change this to 0. So it will allow you to go through all the pages, which means that you can get all the data from that page. But in this case, I will just get 200 items. So let's just run it to see if it is actually working or not. Let me close this. Okay, it is opening the site. Second page. Okay, now it just stopped at second page. It means maybe there is a problem. So it just got first two page data. So let's check that once again. Maybe there's a problem with that next button. Okay, so maybe we can use UI Explorer for that. Okay, so let me once again identify next button. Okay, so I cannot use like this. Okay, and here maybe I can use parent class. I cannot use href actually, and I can also delete this. And let's see. Okay, it is working. And for this third page, let's try to identify it. Yeah, it is getting that, so I think it's the working one. So let me come back to this place and let's change it to this. Okay, so let me click OK, and let's rerun that process. I will close this. Okay, opening the web page. We are on first page now, second page, third page, and fourth page, which means we have 200 items. Okay, it got an error because I just left open this file. It's my bad. So let me also close that one. Click yes. Let's click OK, and let's run once again. Second page, third page, and fourth page. Again 200 items, and it finished working. Let's check this Excel file. And now, yeah, we have the headers and we have 200 items in that Excel file. And as you see, we are able to get all the values from that web page. So yeah, I think this will be all for this tutorial. Hopefully it will be helpful for you. Bye for now.